Welcome to our video on the importance of advanced driver assistance systems recalibration after windshield replacement. Modern vehicles are equipped with advanced systems that enhance safety, relying on cameras and sensors to assist drivers in navigating roads effectively. ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, are crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring safe driving. These systems often depend on components mounted on the windshield, making recalibration essential after any windshield replacement. Failing to recalibrate ADAS after replacing a windshield can compromise the system's accuracy. This oversight can put both drivers and passengers at risk, as the system may not function as intended, leading to potential hazards on the road. At EV Auto Glass, we specialize in both windshield replacement and ADAS recalibration. Our expert team ensures that your vehicle's safety systems are properly calibrated, providing you with peace of mind and confidence while driving. Don't compromise on safety. Contact EV Auto Glass for professional windshield replacement and ADAS recalibration services today. Visit our website at ev-autoglass.com or call us at 410-900-4600 to ensure your vehicle's advanced systems operate correctly, protecting everyone on the road.